Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add friends online app. First of all, you can open the Line application. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the person's icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on this, you can see the option add friends. Now you can add friends by invite or scanning the QR code. Now you can search here for add friends, and here you can invite the friend by text message or email or WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.